As crowds gather across the world to watch the World Cup final this morning, some diehard soccer fans from Austin went for the outdoor viewing experience as well. Circuit of the Americas held this big free watch party out on their Grand Plaza lawn. That's between turn 15 and turn 19 of the racetrack. This party kicked off at 8 a.m. Fans showed up with lawn chairs, blankets, and wearing their favorite team colors.
Lots of different people from everywhere, and we're all here to celebrate one of the greatest games in the world, if not the greatest.
And in addition to watching the game on two big screens, there was tailgating, a live DJ, food, drinks, and a day full of pickup soccer matches.